Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best adjustable dumbbells Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. Bowflex, based in Vancouver, Washington, is in line with the best fitness training equipment brands. It specializes in the production and distribution of products of intelligent crawlers and cardio fitness equipment to home gyms and adjustable weights. Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable. The actual weights replace 15 and has pairs of weights increase 2.5 pounds until the first 25 pounds for easy weight adjustments from 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds. No need for complicated steps to change the weights, as only turning their dials is simply easier to use and a faster attitude to help you move from one exercise to another. This cufflink notes set maximum functionality you use for the leg. It can be returned, chest, abdomen, and metal plates, shoulder and arm are mounting workouts. All at once with high strength for a smoother and quieter elevation in closed lot education. Bowflex flashings weight of the unit and the parties with a 2-year Bowflex SelectTech 552 warranty. The adjustable dumbbells are compatible with the Bowflex mobile application that offers training guides with his unit. Number 2. Our second best pick is Yes4All Adjustable Dumbbells. Yes4All company always ensures that it only weights generated offers high quality with a severe durability, optimal operation and performance for fitness buffs and enthusiasts. The company is headquartered in California and has been about 8 years of use, provided that the best training equipment and fitness training as a great help in the industry. The adjustable weights, Yes4All weight iron melt solid promotion plates, high quality performance and maximum durability ensures ties with weights for prolonged use. These plates fit all 15 to 1-inch standard grips. These are to be corrosion resistant, covered with black paint for protection. Featuring additional chrome handles and ergonomically designed solid texture offer ease of use, and high above durability, resulting in a high-level performance. This diamond 16 inches knurled handle provides a non-slip grip for safety. In addition to this, the device also comes with lock brakes with star-resistant rubber moldings, a firm hold to lock the weights in place. The bar. With this change weights are coupled with a plurality dumbbell exercises with ease, from time to time, some of which are basic body toning exercises, core fitness, strength exercises and lifting heavy legs. It is very simple and easy to assemble and disassemble, simple, less to do this minute. If you are going to have to worry about where the set together heads, it does not require much space, so no wait around space. The piled plates to work unit consists of 2 sets of weights, with a weight of 105 pounds. Have the weights 16 by 1. Number 3. Our third best pick is PowerBlock Adjustable SpeedBlock. If space and budget are at a premium, but you know you want to progress with their weight training goals at home, then an adjustable dumbbell system makes economic sense. The system SpeedBlock, popular brand of fitness, PowerBlock is a versatile and flexible choice. Comprising 2 separate controlled continuously adjustable dumbbell batteries, each unit can be set by a selection pin to the required load. Select 3 24-pound 3-pound steps. It is compact and balanced that offers much more variety and stability of the usual hand weights found stacked in the local gym. This system replaces active 8 pairs dumbbells with an overcapacity of total weight of 216 pounds. A padded handle for protection, SpeedBlock is fast, efficient and comfortable to use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Unipack Adjustable Dumbbells Kit. This set of excellent, high-quality cast iron weights has a Unipack. Certainly it was designed to last and built. Although aesthetically it resembles the hand weight more traditional aspect in a found commercial gym, the beauty of this system is that with a handle, they can create up to 100 pounds from each of the 2 handles shop-weighted plate increments. Provided this is innovative and highly versatile, you will get 2 handles with solid chrome textured for necks that secure the thread easily in the trunk. A mix of 10 pounds, 5 pounds and 2.5 pounds plates are included. It is small, provides a convenient and easy training solution for business, the weight with the versatility of weight and a wide variety of exercises to perform the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Core Fitness Adjustable. Basic Fitness is known for its expertise in manufacturing and sales of equipment for fitness purposes and training. This model is considered one of the best weights that the company has in its line products. To begin with the adjusted data, the construction of these weights include plastic and metal. Its weight plates are made of steel and are coated with a material of high-impact PVC, to provide a high-level durability. With this construction, the installation will be guaranteed corrosion-resistant and handles each weighing not rattle gymnastics, so that it is comforting while working out. The handles are also made of steel, but they are coated with rubber, which is an arc-shaped design. This feature ensures it is with a full non-slip grip on the dumbbell rubber. Also realizes sweat easily because it has more liability. This is also easy to convert the handles if you want to adjust the game. The Adjustable Dumbbells Fitness Base Notes Twist Lock Adjustment. You can change the weight or place the rubber weights in their cradles. With these simple steps, rotate handles, required until the weight is selected and then raised. Note that, once the bar is set with weight increased, with grip is removed, weight plates a weight with appropriate according to the selected setting. Just an important note regarding twist lock to the system of the set. No offset allows the adjustment of the weight to collect as the ringing handle both initiates its end the same number, the weight plates, so that it only fits equally. As mentioned, the device comes with a holder that grips the weights in place. In addition to storage purposes, it also serves as an essential accessory for the weights to adjust. The cradle is made of a combination of aluminum and PVC material having openings at each end, secure and firmly provided in the handle. It can be mounted on a stand. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.